there will be relative motion between 2, 3. Which force of friction will you apply between 2 and 3?
Kinetic friction.
FK.
Kinetic
Kinetic
force of
friction.
friction, right, class? Because we have
Yes.
Yes.
established it, right? We have
Yes.
followed an algorithm. Please do check this algorithm, class. We have followed an algorithm. Taking off the stack part is courtesy. Whatever you want to, I'm following it. So here it's courtesy. The class that I have taken 7, 3 together. Few may have asked to check first for 3, 7. You asked to check first for 2, 3. So courtesy, we are asked. I have gone with 2, 3. We took this as 1 unit and accordingly wrote our equation. Fs we got as 25 by 3 for A to be unit with both 2 and 3. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
A to be unit with both 2 and 3, we got 25 by 3 as Fs demand. Fs demand was not met by Fs maximum, right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Therefore, we came to conclusion there will be relative motion. Once there is a relative motion, well established, taken with testimony, I am well within my limits to say now what will act on 2 kg is Fk. Are we within our limits? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Fk will act backward, 10 is acting in the forward direction. You may ask, sir, when you were taking class on these topics, you told us something about Fs, Fk, mu s, mu k, correct?
Yes, sir.
When you said that
Yes.
Fs maximum is always greater than or to the least it can be equal to Fk.
Yes.
Accordingly, you got on the value of mu k and mu s, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here I have not been given distinct values, right, class?
Yes, sir.
They just
Yes.
got you mu, isn't it?
Yes.
Therefore,
Yes.
mu will serve for both mu s and mu k. Remember, okay, dear?
Yes.
When you have
Yes, sir.
distinct
Yes.
values, when you have distinct values, you will go with them. If you don't have distinct values, you will take them to serve both the purposes. Clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is mu k to us as well. Fine, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In that case, what force will act backwards known to you? 4, correct? 4
Yes, sir.
Newton.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
what
Yes, sir.
forward? 10, correct, class?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we get to see
Yes.
from here 10 minus 4 is equal to mass into acceleration. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I want to know
Yes.
what we I want to know from
No.
here
So,
what will be acceleration of 2 kg block.
sir, I
Yeah?
have a doubt.
Yes, Krish.
So, like 10 minus 4 is equal to A, we are getting it from the equation 10 minus F is equal to A, right?
FK, not FS. FS now over.
Oh,
We
yes,
have
sir.
established there will be relative motion. Why will I take Fs again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. We are taking
We
FK.
are taking Fk now. I wrote over here, right?
So, yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
So 10 forward, Fk backward is equal to 2 into A. We wish get A. What will be A from here?
3.
A will be
3.
6 by 2, which is 3, right, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
What we are then to say? 2 kg block will move with 3 meter per second square. Yeah, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because this is only vis-a-vis which body? 2 kg. The body which is atop, the topmost block, atop 3 kg is 2 kg and 2 kg is the topmost block for us in this question, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have decided for 2 kg for now, we are only with 2 kg decided. We don't know about 3 and 7, correct? Will there
Yeah.
be relative motion between 3 and 7? We are not aware of it. Shall we follow the algorithm and get a know on 3 and 7 as well?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yes, sir. sir.
Okay, tell me the algorithm. Presage. Can I get a preemption from any one of you? Can
So
any
we'll
one of you
take,
presage what shall I do?
So,
so
we
we'll take 2 and 3 as a unit.
Very good. We will now take 2 and 3 as unit. Correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The problem being, we have already established that 2 is moving and there's a relative motion between 3 and 2. We have already established it. Correct, class?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so sometimes you may get confused what to do. because being already established by us. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes.
am not putting riders on which stacking you are to first address. That is your prerogative. Correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And following our right, we have established that there will be a motion between 2 and 3. There will be a related motion between 2 and 3. Yes or no, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we will have to secure ourselves of confusions. Don't get confused. Okay, dear? We
Yes.
have to secure ourselves of confusions. Don't get confused, irrespective of there being motion between 2 and 3. As said Anika, what did she say? She said that we will assume 2 and 3 to be moving as a unit. Correct, class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if we are to assume 2 and 3 moving as unit, we will not confuse ourselves with what we have derived earlier to it. Okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yes, sir. sir.
Okay, so if 2 and 3 are to move as one unit, tell me what force will 7 be subjected to? Shall we rewrite our equations? I'm writing it over here, I'm not erasing it, okay, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 2 and 3 are one unit for us, correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And on this one unit, the unit that I have taken of 5 kg, there's a force with 7 kg will apply in the backward direction, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
What do we then get to see is 10 minus the new Fs is equal to 5 into A, agreed?
Yes, sir.
I'm writing in one go. 10 minus Fs. I will not take force between them, correct?
Which are we?
I'll take
Yes.
force
Yes,
over
sir.
here because this is one unit to me, clear, yeah?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
10 minus Fs is equal to what to us? Is equal to 5 into A. Clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And then what we write? We write Fs is equal to 7 into A. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear, class?
Yes,
Because
sir.
on this
Yes.
block in the horizontal direction only one force, which is Fs, and that is equal to 7 into A. Again, we have taken same acceleration. Please take note. Correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What then we get to see? What is the next step? 10 minus Fs is equal to 5 into Fs by 7, right, class?
Yes, sir.
What next? 10 is equal to 12 Fs by 7, agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is Fs then to us? Fs is 35 by 6, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is your requirement? Your requirement is of 35 by 6, right, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the cap? What is the
0.3
cap? Cap is
0.3
0.3
5 into 10.
into 5 into 10, right, class? Check it out, class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0.3 into collective mass 5 into 10, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How much is this to get me? 15, correct?
15. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15, it is very much in capacity of Fs maximum to provide 35 by 6, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
It is very much in capacity of Fs maximum to provide Fs required. What is the inference that you are drawing, class?
There will be
There's no relative.
No relative motion.
No relative motion between 7 and 3. Got it, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got the algorithm, class? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is very important as is theory for you. I told you already at top of discussion. There are many a question which I'll be designing on it. I'll myself be designing on it. So please be careful. Clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, not done as yet, because Estivama has also asked what acceleration they will be moving, right? So
Yes.
for
Yes.
2 we got will be moving with 3 meter per second square. As far as 7 and 3 are concerned, we got that they will be moving together. Correct, class?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because they'll be moving together, but we are yet to get the acceleration, right, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what we will do now, we will take the unit as 10, right?
Yes, sir.
10, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
On
Yes, sir.
10, what force will act? Now you know that there is what force acting between 10 and 2, right, dear? Between 10 and 2 acts Fk, correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Take it or not, because there is relative motion, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Between 10 and 2 will act Fk, which is 4 to us, right, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this is acting, oh, not in this direction, the forward direction, right? Not backward, forward, right, class? Backward on 2, on this will be forward, correct?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is that to us? 4 Newton to us, correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What acceleration then? 7 and 3 collectively they are to move, tell me dear. 7 and 3 collectively they will move with what acceleration?
4 is
4
equal.
by 10, right, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 by 10, which is how much to us? 0.4 meter per second square. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please do check if anything is to be asked. Yes,
So,
please.
so in this, why aren't we taking 10 Newton on acting on 10 kg also?
10 Newton, which 10 Newton?
So
Because 10
the
Newton doesn't act on 10 kg. 10 Newton is acting on 2 kg. How can I take?
okay, so it's only acting on 2 kg, nothing.
Yeah, it is only, of course, it's not only acting, right? Yeah, what question are you asking? In fact, the second part is to apply 10 Newton on 3. In SC Verma, he has asked you to apply it on 2 first, followed by it is 3 and then 7. Okay, dear?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Clear, dear? Clear class, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Because
Yes.
I have to go for the next, what he has asked. He has then asked to apply 10 Newton on 3 kg. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Will we apply?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us try solve it following the same algorithm. So this time you are to solve. I won't speak. You are to let me know, you are to walk me through. Clear class?
Yes, sir.
Applied on 3 kg, 10 Newton. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what shall I do? I'll begin with Anika.
Yes, sir.
What shall
So
I do?
first we can check if there's relative motion between the bottom two, 3 and 7.
Okay. You want to check
So,
between 3 7?
it's like I didn't get you.
Which one you want to check? It's
3.
completely under your discretion. Yes, dear.
Oh, that. I want to check if there's relative motion between 3 and 7.
Okay, 3 and 7 being picked. Between 3 and 7. Okay, carry on.
So we'll take 2 and 3. No, sorry. Yeah, 2 and 3 as one unit.
Okay, we'll take 2 and 3 as 1 unit. So this unit is of what kg to us? 5 kg, on which 10 is applied. Yes. And what will act backwards here on this one? Because 5 is to see 10 Newton applicable. On this, there will be a
Fs.
force in the backward direction Fs. Okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
Help me write equation, Anika.
So 10 minus Fs equals 5a.
10 minus Fs equal 5a. Okay, Ayush, tell me what will I write for 7 kg mass?
Fs will be equal to 7a.
Fs will be equal to
7a.
7a.
A.
Okay, this is what we are getting. Next, what we do, Ayush?
Now we'll find Fs maximum. No,
What
first
will
we'll
I
find
do
Fs.
here?
Fs.
Tell me step by step. After this, what will I do? I didn't find Fs maximum after this.
Yes, I'm telling.
Please do then. After
10,
this, what
10
will I
minus
do?
10 minus fs will be equal to
10 minus fs will be equal to
5 into fs by 7.
fs by 7. Good. Good. So 10 is equal to what class over here? 10 fs by 7, 12 fs by 7. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What do we get fs then? fs we get 35 by 6. Correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 35 by 6 is my requirement. Correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And Krish, what can be provided by this surface?
Zero. It was
Maximum.
0.3 into normal, which
Yeah.
would be
0.3. How much is normal?
it would be 5 into
5
10 into 10.
into 10. Okay. So this is the maximum which it can provide, correct?
Yes, sir.
How much is this to sum up? This will
15.
sum up to 15, correct?
Yes, sir.
What are you then to say about relative motion between 7 and 3?
It's not
There
there.
won't be any relative motion.
There won't be any relative motion. Why? Whatever was required is well within the height of Fs maximum, correct? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Therefore, will easily provide no relative motion between 7 and 3. Got it, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now I shift my focus to 3 and 2. Clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Om, tell me what shall I do?
So we take 3 and 7 as a system, 10 kgs
3 and 7 as system. That
as
means
one unit.
10 kg block taken as system on which 10 is applied, right? Om?
10 is applied. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Fs will act in which direction? Backwards, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir. For the 10 kg block.
Yes. Right. Help me write an equation.
10 minus fs is equal to 10a.
10 minus Fs is equal to 10. Okay, yeah.
And after that, yes, sir.
Then after of it,
After that, fs is equal to 2a.
okay, then on this one we will apply and we'll write Fs is equal to 2a. Clear to all of you, Anshuta? Anshuta,
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
And after that,
Now, what?
so like I did like after that we add both the equations like fs.
Anshuta, after of this, what will I do? Anshuta, after of this, what will I do?
Yes, sir, sir. So then 10 minus fs
Hmm?
equals to 2 fs by 10.
What will I do is replace. You can tell me in words. I'll be executing mathematically. You can tell me in words. What shall I do?
We shall we shall add the equations.
Add the equation. Idiot! Dumbhead! Complete dumbhead dud. That is what I did! Did I add them?
So we have
Did I add them?
no, sir.
Then? Knucklehead. Tell me what I did.
So we have to replace them.
Replace.
Replace them.
10 minus Fs is equal to 10 into A. What is A? Fs by 2. Okay, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
From here, we will try to get Fs. 10 minus Fs is equal to 5 Fs. Right, class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is how much to us? Fs is 10 by 6 or 5 by 3. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anshuta. Fs maximum is how much? What you require is 5 by 3. Anshuta,
Yes, sir.
speaking to you, respond. What you require is 5 by 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what it can provide, tell me that. What it can provide, what maximum it can provide. How do I get Fs maximum? Yes. Which two surfaces you are checking for relative motion, Anshuta?
Sir, we are checking for 7 and 3.
Is your mother around?
No, sir.
Call your mother. Call your mother.
Yes, sir.
Else I will call. Call your mother on camera. Mother or brother. Call your, unmute yourself, Anshuta. Unmute yourself. You'll be forcing
Yes,
me to make a call. Unmute yourself. Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, call your mother.
Yes, sir. Wait a second.
Call your mother. Fast. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Quick now, you're taking class time. I was supposed to do it in PTM, but PTM will be taken only after a week or two. I need to talk to them direct frame to frame. Yes, Anshuta,
Yes, sir.
where is your mother? Unmute. Switch on your camera.
Hello.
Yeah, Shubhadipto.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shubhadipto, what are you doing in order to make her study?